Hey everybody, my name is Brian, also known as Mill Guy Bry from Westwood Lumber Company. This is the first video I'm putting up on our new YouTube channel. We've been putting videos up on Instagram, Facebook for a while, but we're going to try venturing into YouTube. So yeah, this is new to me, but we want to cover everything about sawmill life, inside the sawmill life and outside sawmill life, what we get up to day in, day out, from the sawmill and kiln drying to even adventures maybe we get up to on the weekend. So yeah, we're going to try to go kind of do different clips of video through the day, and this is like my first day back milling on 2024. I was in the warehouse yesterday, so this is the first day back on the mill. So stay tuned and I'll get some more video clips for you of what we get up to today. We'll mail you later. Another thing you're gonna learn about Westwood is we love Wood Miser. This is our LT40 diesel quota on it. It hasn't yet to be ran this year, so I'm gonna get it all lubed up, fueled up, and get ready to rock here. Something else we love at Westwood is we love our Kubotas. This is a 75, we have a 95, it's out on site right now. Brad's buys everything through Harrington Equipment, so give them a follow too if you don't follow them on social media. They're a cool bunch of people, and yeah, we're gonna get fired up here. Just thought I'd show you guys this real quick as I'm walking back up to the mill. It's just a little bit of our inventory. That's a bunch of live edge, a little bit of cherry, but mostly black walnut. So that's just a little bit of our inventory, which is good because Brad just sold pretty well all of our dried walnut. So now I'm kind of behind the 8 ball on the drying side of things, but it's a good problem to have. But we also do dimensional. There's some little more inventory there. This is all customers' logs over here. They'll bring their logs in and we'll pick them up. We'll mill them to whatever they want them milled into. But we also do some hardwood dimensional too. There's a whole pile of it there. Walnut, maple, ash. Yeah, cherry. There's a bunch of cherry on top there. So yeah, it's not just live edge. We mill everything, even pine dimensional. So yeah, that's just a little bit of our inventory. Not all of it, but yeah. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. This is Mill Guy Bry signing off. If you liked today's video, please give us a like. Even better, give us a follow because we're going to be doing more videos. Thanks for watching. If there's anything you'd like to see, throw us a comment. And yeah, we'll mill you later.